3 reasons therapy may help boost your resilience. Therapy is the process of meeting with a licensed therapist in order to resolve any behaviors, beliefs, feelings, or relationship issues that you may be having at the time. Deciding to begin therapy can be a big step towards becoming the healthiest version of yourself, regardless of where you are in life. One way that therapy can be helpful for you is that it can help you boost your resilience. From helping you pinpoint past behaviors to strategizing effective resilience plans, a therapist can help you learn how to become more resilient. Here are the top 3 reasons therapy can help boost your resilience. 1. Recognize past behaviors. Many people find it difficult to recognize past behaviors and habits. The reason for this is that it is more difficult to be self-reflective than it is to reflect on someone else's life. Therapy, though, can help you to recognize past behaviors by talking to an objective and educated third party. When you talk to a therapist or counselor, he or she will ask you about your life, past decisions, and your feelings regarding them. As you tell them your answers, they, and perhaps yourself, will start noticing trends from your past. This will allow you to recognize past behaviors that sabotaged or decreased your resilience. It is crucial to recognize your past behaviors in order to become more resilient. If you are unaware of your bad habits, you have no way of fixing them. So talking to a therapist can be a great way to recognize your past behaviors so that way you can fix them, learn from your mistakes, and become more resilient in the future. 2. Learn techniques for becoming resilient. Even if you know your past habits, it can be difficult to know how to change them. The reason for this is that if you've always done something one way, you may be completely in the dark how to do it a different way. Therapists and counselors, on the other hand, are trained in techniques for becoming healthier and more resilient. For this reason, it would be wise to consult a licensed professional for techniques for becoming resilient. More so, these professionals will be able to provide specific techniques that are tailored to your past mistakes and habits. 3. Hold you accountable. Finally, a third way that therapy may help you become more resistant is that it holds you accountable for trying to change your habits. Every time that you go to your counseling session, the counselor will probably ask you how you have done since the last visit. This will hold you accountable for trying to actively change your habits and learning new techniques for becoming more resilient. If you don't have someone asking you how you're doing, it is much more likely that you give up and stop trying. It is human nature to be lazy when no one is holding you accountable. Luckily, therapy will ensure that you're held accountable for changing your actions. Recap. There are a lot of misconceptions about therapy that are harmful and untrue. It's important to look past these misconceptions so that way you can get the full benefits of therapy. One of the best benefits of therapy is that it can help you to become more resilient. More specifically, it will help you to pinpoint your past habits, learn new strategies, and hold you accountable.